how to change lock screen name on Windows 11. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the lock screen name in Windows 11. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, go to the bottom of your screen and press the Windows key or click the Start menu icon. On your lock screen, you'll see your name displayed in the bottom left corner. This is your account name, and that's what we're going to change. Next, click the search bar at the bottom and type Control Panel, then open it up. Inside the Control Panel, look for the option that says User Accounts and click it. On the next screen, click User Accounts again to open your account settings. Here, you'll see your account information, including your current name. On the left or in the main area, click the link that says Change Your Account Name. A box will appear where you can type in your new name. Once you've typed in your new name, click the Change Name button to save it. Once you saved it, then the name will be easily changed. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching.